Hi, good afternoon. It's Bob Webster, Keefe Real Estate in Lake Geneva, Wisconsin. It's Tuesday, August 17th. Well, I just wanted to take a brief moment and share with you the details of a piece of property that we just brought on the market here in the month of August. It's a beautiful 5-bedroom, 3.5-bath home located in the Wooddale Association. It's about mid-South Shore between the city limits of Lake Geneva and the village of Fontana. The home does come with a transferable boat slip. The home was built in 2012 by John Matustik, a local builder in the Lake Geneva area known for building a very high quality product with lovely high-end finishes. Let me just take you for a brief tour and show you a little bit of some of the details of the home. Okay, so here we are walking in the front door. Got a very nice sitting room, or could be an office these days with what we're dealing here with COVID. Got a nice vaulted ceiling. Does have a formal dining room here. Beautiful wood floors throughout the main level. And a pretty spectacular kitchen with a beautiful island. Our laundry is there to the right. Nice big deck area out there that I'll grab another quick view of, and a big table here for seating for about 8. And a beautiful living room with the first of 2 fireplaces here. So not only do we have a beautiful deck area here, about 30 feet long. In addition to that, got a nice lower level patio area, and that's actually a walkway that goes down to the lake and can just barely make out the lake through the trees there now. But we're basically just the third house back from the water. So we're back to our attractive 2-story high entry foyer here. Nice wooden staircase going upstairs. And up here we have 4 good-sized bedrooms. 2 of them here that face the street. A real nice Jack and Jill bathroom arrangement here with granite vanities and a nice tiled shower. And bedroom number 3. Again with a vaulted ceiling here. Nice open stairway here at the top of the staircase. Master bedroom, vaulted ceiling. Very attractive master bath with, again, granite vanity and tub and separate shower. So we've got a finished lower level here. Always nice to have a lower level family room. Got a full bath here. Very nice spacious bedroom here with both bunks and spot for a nice king or queen bed there. Our second fireplace here in the family room. Got some nice full-sized windows so that there's lots of natural light down here. And got a nice game room area here with pool table and a ping pong table set over the top. Always nice when there's a main floor laundry area, which is right off the kitchen. We do have a nice spacious two-car garage here. And one really nice feature right off of the laundry area here is this walkway that is right in between the two properties here. And is just a short walk right down the walkway. Get to the end there, do a left, and you're right at the Association Park. So if you walk down that wooden walkway right behind this house, this is where you'll come out, and you'll be right here at the Association parking lot. And right here at the lake. So here's another shot of the Association Park area. Very easy and convenient for getting down here to the water. This is the Association Pier. Got a nice swim area there, and the property that we have for sale does come with a transferable slip on this Association Pier, and the flip around here and just give you a quick shot of the nice protected swimming area. The mom's enjoying lunch there, watching over the kids. And we use a term in the real estate business of a deep water slip being an advantage or a plus. And this particular property that we have for sale is got this slip right at the very end of the pier, where they do have the ability to do some swimming here off the end of the pier out to the raft. Again, swimming area there. And that is the slip that goes with this particular property. Well, I hope you enjoyed that brief tour of this lovely home located in the Wooddale Association. Again, on the market for $1,895,000. One of the best values on the market today with a transferable boat slip on Lake Geneva. If you have any questions about this particular property or the Lake Geneva real estate market in general, or the lakefront market in particular, feel free to give me a call, shoot me an email, or go to my website, lakegenevaproperty.com. It's Bob Webster in Lake Geneva. I hope you make it a great day.